Hello, and welcome to Young Learners, beginner level. In today's lesson, we learn about food and drink. Come with me inside the supermarket to find some fruit. Listen and say, apple, apple, banana, banana, grapes, grapes, lemons, lemons, mango, mango, orange, orange, pineapple, pineapple, watermelon, watermelon. Great job! Now, let's look for some vegetables. Listen and say, carrots, carrots, onions, onions, peas, peas, potatoes, potatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. Well done! I'm feeling thirsty, so let's find some drinks. Lemonade, lemonade, water, water. Great listening and speaking. Time to check out the fruit. Say the name of the fruit and make a sentence. Here is an example. An apple. This is an apple. Are you ready? A banana. This is a banana. An orange. This is an orange. Now, try these fruits. Here is an example. Grapes. These are grapes. Are you ready? Lemons. These are lemons. Time to check out the vegetables. Say the name of the vegetables and make a sentence. Here is an example. Carrots. These are carrots. Are you ready? Potatoes. These are potatoes. Tomatoes. These are tomatoes. Time to check out the drink. Say the name of the drink and make a sentence. Are you ready? Lemonade. This is lemonade. Water. This is water. Awesome! Make sure to come back soon to watch another video or check out our website esleSchool.com.